Got one of them paper plates. Let's call that fine china right there. Got me a glass of milk too. Look at this body, good. Hummingbird cake. Oh, man, I'm telling you guys. Ooh. Take a drink of milk. Oh, man. Y'all, you have to understand, I'm not a sweets fan. Look at that. Cake fan for sure. But I'm telling you, this is kind of addictive. And I mean, whoa. I may have to have Miss Christie see what she can do with one of these. My wife makes cakes, and I just don't. My daughter's right now, she's eating one of her a coconut cake. I can show it to y'all, but I ain't touching it. I do not like coconut at all. But this hummingbird cake. Wow. I mean, wow. Oh my God. Y'all, that is so good. The milk. You have to understand, I'm not like legitly. My whole family's like, "You're eating cake." I said, I'm telling you, this right here is worth me eating cake. I'm not a cake fan. I'm not a big sweet eater. Now meat, I'll tear up a good steak. Oh man, this is good right here. I mean, it just, ooh. You see that? Nah. Oh my God. Y'all, if y'all never had a hummingbird cake, look at that recipe or go to a cake factory and say, "Hey, I want a hummingbird cake." Now, I'm not sure it's going to be good as this one. I'm telling you right now. Homemade, a lot of love went into this. Oh, yeah. My hat's off to my aunt, because I'm ready to tell you, this is good. And it's addicting. I'll tell you that right. You see how much of that cake I've already ate? Hey, I'm telling you, I don't eat cake. Anybody that knows me will tell you, you don't eat cake. No. Hey, I ate this one, I'm gone. Guaranteed it's good. Y'all be good.